Topic selection is very important for the fact that if you can select your topic correctly, you will be able to complete your thesis research paper well in time. I will tell you 7-step process that you need to follow. You need to be keen observer. You begin your journey of research with an area. Literature review is relatively difficult, time consuming, but remember, it's the most important step. It is the literature review that will tell you what is already known in this area. What are the unanswered questions in this area? Literature review which will help you identify the gap in the existing research. Literature review map. It's the time to use your imagination. Break your working title into its components, factors that require measurement. Extract variables. Try to develop hypotheses. Now you need to establish the objectives of your research even before starting the research.